Sir, this is Sayana Abbas. I am speaking on behalf of the Committee of Krupanidhi College of Pharmacy on the occasion of Job Fair 2024. I am delighted to have you here and I am delighted to start the conversation. Sir, I would like to know, like the freshers who are going to get a kickstart in the company of their dream job, of course, what trends should they follow to keep a pace in the pharmacy sector?
See, because the pharmacy sector earlier it was completely different when it started with kind of just a compounding job where medications are mixed and they being dispensed to the patients. So from there we started compounding to then manufacturing units, saying that the drugs should be manufactured in a big production units and QA QC jobs will come into picture. Then from production we started speaking about how patient-centric treatment can be given along with doctors and pharmacies. So then we got something which is called as pharmacies. Now the futuristic aspect of this is a pharmacist is going to play a major role in terms of giving a treatment, discovering a medication, tailoring the medicine and giving counseling to the patients and making sure that the discovery of medications are going in the right direction. So I would like to see this, the future of pharmacy is not just a dispensing or manufacturing or production or QA/QC. So the future of pharmacist is more of patient centricity and outcome based, data based outcome of treatment based on how the patient is behaving and what is the outcome of the patients. Based on it, how we can give the treatments. So that would like to happen in very near future, or you might say that clinical data science is already happening. People are speaking about how images can be converted into data and how AI ML can diagnose the diseases before a pharmacist or doctor takes a treatment. How AI ML can prepare a documentation, or how AI ML can give some support to the pharmacist or a doctor for providing the treatment.
And at last, I would like to know how you like the vibe and the environment of the job fair. What opinions would you like to share for the future of us?
See, basically this kind of a job fairs and this kind of a CEO meetings and entrepreneurship programs and this kind of meetings were not there when we were young. So we were being just taught on whiteboard saying that okay, you A plus B is equal to C, or you just learn about pharmacology or physics or chemistry. But now the current industry and the future industry is not all about that. So how best you can network, how best you can grow, and how best you can think about entrepreneurship ideas and how you can network with the industry people, what is currently happening in the industry. So these are the forums where you can get networking. These are the forums where you have to listen about the new terminologies which are going to hit in the future. And these are the forums where you can directly meet with HRs, discuss about what are the skill sets they are requiring, discuss about what are the opportunities they have, discuss about how the interviews happens, and they can give the interviews and they can meet the CEOs and they can discuss about their ideas for entrepreneurship and all this. This forum should be used in such a way that how exactly the profession is moving and going forward, and they can start thinking from this young age that how they can start their own organizations or companies, and also how they can go into interviews, because there is always a fear factor of a student that interview is just like a viva. So which is not true basically. So basically it's about what skill sets you have and what skill sets you can give it to company. And what company is expecting is also the same thing, that I have a particular role, do you fit in that particular role? So the survival of fittest comes in picture here, wherein only one job is there but 1,000 people are there. So these forums will be definitely useful for interacting with CEOs and also to HRs and to know at least the companies which are there. So I really don't know how many of youngsters who came for the job fair also know about the companies. They could have done a background research that okay, these are the companies and these are the roles they are going to take and these are the opportunities, and I need to prepare my tailor-made resumes also based on it. So these are the forums which are definitely going to be helpful, and yeah, I met with a lot of CEOs and a lot of entrepreneurs who are coming and putting their ideas for youngsters, and youngsters should utilize this kind of opportunity.
Good, sir. Thank you, sir.